Hey, poor guy outdoor cooking. Buffalo chicken meatballs. Buffalo chicken balls? What's the proper thing to say? Buffalo chicken meatballs. I mean, chicken is meat. Look, I already went ahead and did a little sample of these to see if they would actually work. Uh, I'm winging it. Winging it. Buffalo wings. All right, here's one can of just shredded uh, chicken breast meat in a can. We got it at Sam's. Okay, whatever. It's already cooked. So when we warm these up, we just got to warm them up. Everything in here is going to be, you know, not raw ingredients. So we're going to go with some Italian style breadcrumbs, and I'm just eyeballing it. I don't have a recipe. I kind of thought of this and saw that there was such a thing that people have done before, and they make it really intricate and all that. Some Ken's Ranch, squirt of that because it's buffalo wings. Add blue cheese, mayo, whatever you want to do. Yep, I'm going with garlic, and it's already shredded and ready to go. Got that from Sam's Club too. And we're going to do, of course, Frank's Red Hot. And I'll be making my buffalo wing sauce that we will, when we get done cooking these, we're going to go ahead and coat these beautiful chicken balls in Frank's Red Hot and butter and just some regular pepper, just black pepper. All right. So what we want to do now is we want to go ahead and mix everything together. Now I will tell you, I'm not adding egg, and I may need to add more breadcrumbs to this. But you can go ahead and put whatever you want in this mixture. Add your herbs, your garlic, add cheese or anything, parsley, onions, scallions, whatever you want to do. This is how we're doing it, and really, we had to buy nothing at the store today to do this recipe. So that's why I thought about getting ground chicken for it because that's what most people use, but we had this canned chicken on hand. It's already cooked. And let's see if I can get the consistency that I need. Okay. We're going to have to add more breadcrumbs. Let me wipe off my hands real quick. A little bit more breadcrumbs to get that to bind together. Now, again, you can go ahead and add an egg to it if you want. I don't want to because I want to cook these up quick and easy. And I'm just going to do them on my Monument Grill Mesa, my beautiful blue Mesa. That's all we're doing. I didn't add too much Frank's or other ingredients. I'm not adding any salt because this canned chicken has high sodium in it. So let's see if this works here. So we're going to squeeze these down really tight. And I'm putting it on this kind of this baking sheet grilling pan, I guess, for better words. So we can just kind of move them around and not worry about them breaking up. Yeah, see, so pack them down tight. And as you can see, that's what we came up with so far. So one can, I got about 7 of these buffalo chicken balls. And so we're going to go with 2 cans and just have this as a little snack. If you're watching any kind of sporting events or anything like that, it's a nice tasty snack. You got people over with the hay. All right, I'm not going to bore you with making the rest of these meatballs. And we get back, we'll bring them out in the Monument Grills and cook these up. Peace. All right, here we are outside. There's my balls, buffalo chicken balls. Really, the worst thing that happened at this point is they fall apart, which very well may happen. Uh, so I'm just going to take them on this little grease pan, put that right in the Monument Grill, got that all preheated, and it's on low as we speak. Monument Grills. Hashtag Monument Grills, Mesa Series. Uh, so yeah, really what we're going to do is we're just going to kind of gingerly move them around and get them cooked up a little bit, warmed up. Like I said, there's no raw ingredients, there's no egg, there's no flour, and the chicken is already cooked. So it's just a matter of warming them up. I wasn't sure how I wanted to do this, but I got something going on the Z grills over there. And I don't know. I thought this would be easy because it's all about quick and easy and cooking outdoors when you're poor and a guy. Peace. Okay, come over and take a look. It's been about 15 minutes. I have the sucker on low. I think that's going to be good. Like I said, everything's cooked, so we're just looking to warm them up a little bit, get a little bit of, I don't know, firmness on them. They're very tender, so I didn't want to mess with them too much. But they're done, like I said. Everything's already cooked. Just bring them in the house and dress them up with some buffalo wing sauce and get a thumbnail and all that good stuff. All right. Hey, here we go. Check it out. That's a pretty cute little thumbnail there. Okay, so I just did some franks and butter in here, and I'm going to try these first because Aiden is here and Don is here. Aiden doesn't like ranch on his, and Don's not so sure she wants that much buffalo wing dip on it, but I do. Uh, so just franks and butter melted in the microwave, and I dip these suckers in it. So without further ado, let's give it a try. Cheers. Yeah, you can't go wrong with franks and butter. They held together. Oh yeah, they're spicy. Mm, I love them. I do. Not sure about these two, but I love them. Super easy. Like I said, no raw ingredients. Just warm them up the way you want to. Do them in the oven. Make them the way you want them. This is everything we had on hand, so it just didn't cost us any more money to make this. So I'm liking it. Give it a try. They're good if you like buffalo wing sauce. I think that's about it. All right. Peace.